Hello, everyone. Welcome to day one of our English learning series. Today, we are going to read a story about a girl named Maya. Maya lives in a small town, just like many of us, but she dreams of becoming a software engineer. Listen carefully to the story and try to shadow the words you see on the screen. Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there lived a girl named Maya. Maya was always curious about how computers worked. After finishing her college, she wanted to start a career in the tech world. However, she was a fresher and felt very nervous. She moved to a big city called Indore to find better opportunities. Every day, Maya would sit with her laptop and practice coding in Python. In the beginning, she faced many challenges. Her code would often have errors, and she didn't know how to fix them. But Maya did not give up. She knew that consistency was the key to success. She started solving small problems on websites like LeetCode. Slowly, her logic became stronger. One day, she saw an advertisement for a junior developer role. She applied for it, but she was worried about the interview. She spent nights enhancing her skills in SQL and data structures. When the interview day arrived, the manager asked her about her projects. Maya explained her work with great passion. The manager was impressed, not just by her technical skills, but also by her determination. 2 days later, Maya received an email. She was selected. Her journey from a confused student to a professional developer had finally begun. She realized that in the tech world, you never stop learning. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and thrive. That was our story for day one. Practice these words and try to write your own sentence in the comments. See you in day two. Keep learning, keep growing.